What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick review on this Battle-Born lithium-ion deep-celled battery. So there's a few reasons why I went with Battle-Born, and number one is they are reliable and safe. This is in a van, and I don't want to have any worries about batteries catching fire or anything like that. And Battle-Born are put together in the US, and they are very reliable and safe, and so that is the number one reason why you would spend the extra money and get something like this, is because they are safe and reliable, and you want that. Another really cool thing about these batteries is you can drain them to zero and you can revive them, and it's not going to affect the battery much, and that's really handy. You don't have to worry about blowing the battery. And unlike lead acid batteries, you don't have to do any maintenance. There's no corrosive things coming out. It is just way easier and better. This thing is built for adventure. It's well protected against extreme hot and cold temperatures, low and high voltage, short circuits, and other stuff like that. They're just great batteries. And like I said at the beginning, the number one thing is you want something safe, and you don't have to worry about, hey, am I gonna wake up and there's gonna be a fire or anything like that. They are super safe, super reliable. They're just great batteries all around. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped.